So while our house is fine, and it looks like, you know, most of the plants here are okie dokie, not all of them. Yeah. Late last night when we came in, my husband replanted all of these guys, not perfectly, but put them back on that shelf. That shelf was completely empty. Why? Because somehow the screen got blown through and everything is trashed over here. It's wild. See this umbrella? We didn't put that there. That was in that corner. And yeah, these metal strips were ripped out of the bottom and the top and the center. And they didn't manage to break through the screen over here. It's wild. Ooh, that got trashed. Okay, yeah. So I gotta work.